Hey loves, welcome back to the channel. Today my name is Osereme. If you're here for the first time, thank you so much for stopping by. On this channel I share sewing tutorial videos, pattern drafting, vlogs and lifestyle videos around the sewing niche. So if you're interested in all of that kind of content, please hit on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. On the channel today we're going to be talking about how to start up a YouTube channel, how to grow your channel, and we're going to be centered around making sewing tutorial videos. I'm making this video because in the last video I made where I shared ways you can make extra money with your sewing skills, a lot of you were very interested in how to start up a YouTube channel, and from the questions that I had there, it's very obvious that a lot of you don't even know how to go about starting up a YouTube channel, which is why I'm here in this video today. So if you like what you see me do here, making tutorial videos, and you want to do something like this, it's actually very easy. I'm going to put you through the whole process of starting in this video. So if you're interested in that, keep on watching and let's go into it. So guys, the funny thing is that a lot of you already have a YouTube channel but you don't even know it. Let me tell you why. Before you're able to actually make comments on people's videos on YouTube is going to ask you for your email address, and when you give them that email address, automatically they create an account for you, so you are able to make comments on other creators' videos. So immediately you've placed your email address on YouTube, automatically you have a YouTube channel. But now let's assume you don't have at all, you are starting from beginning. You have to create an email account, and what you're going to do is to come onto YouTube and just open up a YouTube channel with the email you want to use to start up your channel. So you just use your email address to open up the channel, and when you're through with that, one thing you're going to do, if you really want to be posting videos and you want to go ahead and just post consistently, if you're not someone who just wants to watch videos and go away, you want to make you want to actually make videos and get monetized and grow on YouTube, you need to verify your account. Not a very hard thing to do. When you hear verify, I'm sure you're thinking, oh, you have to wait for something. Verifying your YouTube account actually takes less than 5 minutes actually. What you have to do is to just go on Google, I think that was what I did, and just type verify my YouTube account. I think you're just going to see the YouTube link there. I think it's www.youtube.com/verify, and you're just going to click on it, and they're just going to send you a message asking you how you want to verify. For me, I used my phone number. I just send them your phone number and they're going to send you a particular code to that phone number, and you give them the code back. That's all. You're verified. They'll just send you a message that you're verified, that your channel is verified. Then you will be able to change your thumbnails and just do a lot of other things on YouTube. So now you've created your account, right? Now is to start posting. So there's a plus sign on your YouTube channel whenever you log in. That is a place where you add videos. So if you click on that, you're going to see where they say, I think, post a video or create a video or something like that. When you click on that, you start posting your first videos. But when you post a video through that place, you have to go to YouTube Studio, which is another app. I'm just going to try and leave those apps on here for you guys to see, which is YouTube Studio. That's where I normally change my thumbnail, write the description. That's where you see your analytics, how much you're making. That's when you start getting paid. Put your tags, everything, all those ones is done on YouTube Studio. So now let's leave starting up the YouTube channel. The major problem is actually making the video. So a lot of you actually are skeptical about starting up a YouTube channel because you don't even know where to start from in making videos. And today we're going to be focusing on sewing niche, which is what I already said in the beginning. For you to start up a sewing tutorial channel, there are just some things you just need to have. One is a sewing machine. Two, you need some sewing tools. You don't need a lot of all the sewing tools. You just need your scissors, a tape, a ruler, and then you need maybe the curved rule for marking armholes, and then you need pattern paper. I think those are like the basic things that you need to start up a YouTube channel. You don't need to have all the things in the beginning. And of course you will need a table, but if in the beginning you don't have a table, it's totally fine. You can make your videos on the floor. Nobody's coming to meet you in your house and be like, why are you making your videos on the floor? As long as your videos is teaching someone something and your videos are actually passing the message and you're doing the right thing and your tutorials are great, trust me, people are going to watch regardless of whether or not your videos are made on the floor. That's one thing you should know. So if you're thinking, oh, I don't have this, I don't have that, that's why I've not started my YouTube channel, girl, you're just wasting a lot of time. Another thing that a lot of people actually just put in the way of starting up a YouTube channel is, oh, I don't have a camera. Sister, really? And you're posting Instagram pictures every day. Haba. Your phone camera can do the work. Till today, all of my videos that you see, I use my phone camera. Most phones actually these days have good cameras, especially the iPhone products and Samsung. Camera qualities are really great. So yeah, that's what you need: your sewing machine, sewing tools, your phone camera, and then set up a channel on YouTube. Set up the channel and post your first video. Now when you've posted your first video, what next? Because I'm going to tell you the truth, when you post your first video, you're most probably not going to get any view, and that is really frustrating, because that's where a lot of people just be like, I'm done, I'm not doing it again. You have to be very consistent. If you post your first video, you've opened up your channel, you have to start sharing the links to your friends, your family members, and just people around you. But one thing I want to put out there, see, your friends and family members are actually even supposed to support you in the beginning. Most of them are even not going to care. It's when you have now grown to an extent where they see that you're growing, and you not hear them saying, oh, you're so nice, this is great, blah blah blah. But when you need them to support you in the beginning, most of them are not going to support you. You will send them link, they will not subscribe. You send them link, they will not watch your video. But that should not discourage you. If you really want this, share your link everywhere, put it everywhere. When people think of you, let them start thinking YouTube. You get what I'm trying to say? So post your link out there and be consistent. Don't get discouraged when you post a video and it doesn't have a lot of views yet. Maybe you post a video today and in the next 2-3 weeks it's still like 2-3 views, and that 3 views is even you watching your video over and over again. It happens. It happened to every single YouTuber you're seeing right now, because in the beginning nobody knows you, and whatever niche you are in, there are so many people who are already big in it. There are so many sewing YouTubers with millions of subscribers. There's so many sewing YouTubers that are doing so big already, and you're just starting. So nobody knows you. That's why you don't get any views. Nobody knows you. So how do you bring yourself out? How do you make people know that, okay, oh, this channel exists? Is by posting consistently. Post every single time. Don't like that's where a lot of people actually just give up. When you're posting and nobody's viewing, keep posting. Nobody's viewing it, post. Keep posting. If you really want it, just keep posting. Don't care about the views in the beginning. Don't care, because it's going to actually discourage you from wanting to continue, because it's not going to be encouraging. The views is never encouraging in the beginning. So just keep posting. And the thing is, when you're very consistent, YouTube is going to place your videos in so many different places, and while your videos is in so many different places, there are chances of people clicking on it, and you don't know which one might just pick up, and boom, your channel is growing. Another thing is, don't look at the subscriber. If you don't have views, you're not going to get subscribers, because it's when people see your videos that they're going to subscribe. What you should pursue is actually the views and not the subscribers. So another thing I want to talk about is the money. So I got a couple of comments where people are like, I'm not seeing the place where I can put my account number for them to be paying me. And literally, I actually just laughed. I didn't actually reply that comment, because I was like, I just have to make a video around it, because I didn't even know what to tell that person, and I didn't know how to even explain it. So I'm going to say it now. Before you even start talking about money on YouTube, you have to get monetized, and YouTube has a threshold for, there's this thing they have that you have to get through before you even start thinking about getting monetized. One is that you have to have gained 1,000 subscribers within 1 year, and two is that you have to have also reached 4,000 hours of watch time within that same year. So let's say you started your YouTube channel January 1st, 2022. So what YouTube expects is that by the end of 2022, that's December 30th or 31st, I don't know, you should have gained 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours watch time. So it doesn't matter if it took you 1 month to reach 4,000 hours of watch time and 1,000 subscribers, you are going to get monetized. So if it took you 9 months, it doesn't matter, but you have to get that 4,000 hours of watch time and 1,000 subscribers within 1 year. So when you have reached that, that's why you have to be very consistent if you really want to actually get to the extent where you're getting paid on YouTube. When you get to the stage of getting monetized, you apply for monetization, every other thing follows from there. The first thing you need to do is to be consistent, is to work on your content. Make sure your thumbnail is catchy. You are posting a video about let's say how to make a pleated skirt. Make sure that the picture you are using is very nice, because a new YouTuber is posting a video of how to make a pleated skirt. There are so many other big YouTubers who already have that video out there, and trust me, a lot of people are going to easily click on a video that has over 2,000 views or 200 views than to click on your own that has like 50 views. You get what I'm saying? So the only thing that will make them click on your own instead of someone that has a lot more views is probably because of maybe how catchy your own is, your title and everything. Consistency, I cannot stress it enough. You have to be extremely consistent in the beginning for you to even get to the stage of getting monetized. Now you're monetized, now you want to be making more money. You have to try as much as possible to grow, make videos that are catching and just all of that. So this is not to scare anyone, it's actually a very easy thing to do. So I hope this answers your questions on how you can start up a YouTube channel, make money, and what you need to know. If there's any other thing you guys would like for me to share, please leave it for me in the comment section. I will definitely check it out and I will probably make a video on that. So thank you so much for watching this video today. If you're not yet subscribed, I wonder what you're waiting for. Hit on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. If you have not seen the tutorial of me making this cute top, it's a corset top with a crisscross neckline, please head over to the channel and check it out. It's already up there. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.